The M18 FUEL PACKOUT 2.5 gallon wet dry vacuum. Quick cleanup in a portable solution. With up to 60% more suction, you can efficiently clean up a wide range of materials faster in various cleanup applications. Fully compatible with the PACKOUT Modular Storage System, this vacuum allows for easier and faster transportation on and off the job site. This provides you with unmatched mobility, ultimately increasing your productivity, resulting in less downtime. Up to 2 times quieter operation means you can work in occupied spaces or service calls without disrupting your surroundings. The M18 FUEL PACKOUT Wet Dry Vacuum, providing premium performance in a portable cleanup solution.